Hi, I'm Carl from Apt, and in this video I'll be going over the features and benefits of the QN85A series Neo QLED from Samsung. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description to check out our latest pricing after the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see all of our latest content. Starting with the design, it's got a really thin bezel around the screen and an easy to install center mounted pedestal, which gives you the option to put it on a narrower stand if you choose. Ideally though, if you can, you'll want to mount it to the wall. This TV is super shallow and looks great when it's installed with a low profile wall mount. Around the back are all of the inputs. On this one you get 2 USBs, 4 HDMIs, an optical audio output, RS-232C, Ethernet, and an antenna connection. This particular series does not get an ATSC 3.0 tuner though, so if you're planning on using an antenna for 4K broadcasts in the future, you'll need to step up to the QN90 series or better. Then there's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connections. Now going back to those HDMIs for a second, number 3 has an enhanced audio return channel and number 4 has full HDMI 2.1 capabilities like auto low latency mode, 4K at 120 Hz, and variable refresh rate compatibility with FreeSync. All great features to use with next-gen gaming consoles and PCs. Plus, new for this year, there's a specific menu that you can access while you're in game mode that allows you to make adjustments as well as see extra info on the screen. Then there's the audio. This comes with a really decent sound system. It's 2.2.2 channels and driven by 60 watts of power, and with features like object tracking sound to make the audio follow the action on the screen, and active voice amplifier to make dialogue easier to hear. If you decide not to get a soundbar, you'll still be in pretty good shape. That being said, this also has Q Symphony, so if you do get a compatible Samsung soundbar, it'll make the experience that much better since it uses the TV speakers along with the speakers in the soundbar. But with these TVs, it's all about the picture. Now the QN85 comes out of the box showing rich, vibrant colors, and it can play back HDR10, 10 Plus, and HLG content. There are also several preset picture options to choose from, as well as the ability to fine-tune the picture yourself. Now, the area where the QN85 suffers a little bit is in the black levels. Because this is an IPS panel, your blacks will have more of a gray tone to them when you're watching in a dark room. For most casual viewers, it's not going to be a big deal, but if you're a real videophile, you'll appreciate the darker black levels on something like the QN90A more with its VA panel. The QN85's panel still has a native refresh rate of 120 Hz though, which does handle motion really well. Fast and slow action look great, so whether you're watching hockey, a sitcom, or you're gaming, you're going to get a natural looking image. Besides motion, another benefit of the QN85A is off-angle viewing. It's going to do really well in rooms with nice wide seating arrangements. Lastly is the operating system. It's similar to what we've seen in the past with your favorite apps showing up at the bottom of the screen, and if you scroll down there's even more suggestions, so you'll have an easy time finding new content to watch. Plus, there's also multi-view, which lets you watch multiple things at the same time. And you have your choice of smart assistants to pick from on this one as well. Bixby, Google Assistant, and Alexa all work with this, along with Apple AirPlay 2 for anyone with compatible iOS devices. And you can control it all with Samsung's redesigned One remote. It's the same button layout as before, but now Samsung's incorporated a little solar panel into the back, so you never have to worry about having to find spare AAA batteries laying around your house. This is not an inexpensive product, but you get a lot for your money. If you're in the market for a new TV for your home theater system, and you want something with a bright picture, vibrant colors, some great gaming features, and an easy-to-use smart system, this is one you'll definitely want to consider. If you still have questions on the QN85A or any other TVs we carry here at Apt, be sure to reach out to one of our experts. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.